So you guys, I just realized that my polish is actually holding up pretty good. Today is day 3, I want to say. I do see a little bit of chipping, but usually around this time for me, like half of the polish is chipped off of each nail. Maybe the polish is completely off on one nail. Like, it never looks this good on the 3rd day. Like, you know, because I'm washing dishes, doing laundry, you know, I'm always doing something, and my nails always get chipped, like at least by the 2nd day, sometimes the 1st day. And like I said, you can see a little bit of chipping on here, but it's not bad. And you know, I got to thinking, I think that this Revlon HD, my nail broke here, so that's chipping there too. But I mean, it's not bad, nothing compared to what it would usually be. I was thinking about it, that I think when I seen this at the store that it did say 7-day wear, I believe. I'm gonna look it up and I'll put it on the screen if that's what it said. But y'all, that's pretty good, because for it not to be a gel polish and it not chipping that much and it's the 3rd day, that is awesome. So I was going to take it off today. I kind of want to keep it on and see if it will last the 7 days, maybe do at least 5. So I'll try to keep it on. I don't know. If I do, I will update on that 5th or 7th day and let you guys see exactly how it held up by that time. So yeah, pretty awesome. So again, if you guys didn't watch my previous video of me doing my nails of the day or nails of the week, this is the Revlon HD Snap new polish that I picked up from CVS. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the wear of it.